Okay friends, today's workout is a booty burn challenge. I'm using a yoga block. You're welcome to do this with a rolled up towel or no equipment at all, but let's get to it. Okay, put one knee on that block. Same arm, forearm goes down. Bring that navel to that spine, and we are going to keep those legs nice and bent and lift up. Start with a donkey kick. And lift up. Really feel that little booty pop up. Lift up. All right, friends, you're also welcome to be up on both hands if you like that. All right, and lift. We're gonna hold it up in 4, in 3, in 2, and last one. Hold it up and pulse, 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 pulse. Little higher lifts, high and high for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then open up that hip and up. All right, so that knee stays in that same spot. You're just rotating through that hip, and that toe is just coming down, and lift it up. All right, 4 more of these, and 3 more. Last 2, and last one. Now bring that knee in and back. Right, in and back, in and back, in. Pull it in, yes. Bring that knee to that elbow. 4 more of these, and 3 more of these, and 2 more, and hold it there. Tiny pulses in and in, in. Keep that knee nice and high. You got this. We're gonna start to build some heat in that booty. All right, we've been keeping that leg bent. Time for an extension. Send that toe out, send it out and in, and out and in. Nice and long. Feel that lengthening, and out and in, out and in. All right, now from here, we're gonna add a little combo. So when you send that leg out, you're gonna tap it down and then lift it and then pull in that knee. It goes out, down, up, and in. Out, down, up, pull it in. Out, down, up, and in. Out, down, up, and in. Out, down, up, and in. And this next one holds that bend right here. Right, you're gonna swoop up that leg. So you're gonna go basically from a fire hydrant to a donkey kick. Yes, how is that booty feeling? All right, and up, and back, and lift. Send it back. All right. And then, friends, hold it back, nice and straight again. And we're going to do that twist and then tap it down to that toe and up and twist. So drop that toe, tap that toe, lift that toe, bring it up. So keeping that knee kind of in the same spot, right? And down and up and down. All right, and down and up, down. All right, friends, this next one, woo! Hold it up, and then you're just going to cross over that knee on that other side. You got it for 8, 7, 6, and 5. Last 4, 3, 2, and last 1. All right, push it back, push it back, pound it out, stretch it out. All right, let's do some cat-cows, and let's do that other side. I'm going to flip so that my other knee is going to be shown. All right, I'm gonna come down on that forearm. All right, friends, cat-cow it, get comfortable. I'm just gonna move this back. All right, cat-cow it, get comfortable, and then lift and lower. I know, this is a quick workout, but it is so efficient. If you're looking for that spicy workout that you're gonna feel so great afterwards. Just keep that nice bend and that little booty pop. Let's go, lift it up and up for 4 and 3, last 2, and Last one, tiny pulses up and lift, lift, lift. Lift it up, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Then we do that rotation, and then open it up, and then rotate that hip. A little hip mobility there. Breathe it out. Yes. All right, 4 more. And 3. Last 2, and last one. Now we pull in the knee, and then send it back, and then in, and then back, in, and back, in. All right, friends, keep it going. Pull it in. Give me 4 more, and 3 more. Last 2, and last 1. Tiny pulses in, it's in, and in. Keep that knee nice and high. You got it, in, and in. Come on, let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Give me extension, send it long. Pull it in, and out, and in, and long. Point that toe, let's go, it's long. All right, coming next is that tap down. Let's do it here. Out, down, up, pull it in. Out, down, up, pull it in. Out, down, lift, pull it in. Out, down. All right, 1 more. All right, we're almost there. Pull in that knee, and then we do that swoop to a fire hydrant, donkey. Nice and fluid. That knee is just making that half circle. Up and lift. All right, 3 more. Hold it up in 2. And hold it up right here, hold it up. Now we open, tap, lift, up. Open, tap, lift, up. Open, tap. Yes, this is where it gets nice and hot. That booty's burning. And tap it, lift it up. All right, 1 more. Open, tap, lift it up, and then take that knee over the other knee. This is our final move, okay? And take it down, and up, down, and up. 4 more, and 3 more. Last 2, and last 1. All right, friends, woo! I hope that booty feels great. All right, friends, if you like these challenges, if you like these little workouts, please let me know down in the comments what you like about. Please let me know down in the comments some of your favorites. Tell me props we should be using. I'd love to hear your feedback. And if you like these videos, subscribe to my channel and never miss a workout. All right, friends, see you at the next class. Bye.